Healing words: happy, amused, delighted, glad, joyful, pleased, content, charmed, grateful, optimistic, sad, depressed, desperate, dejected, heavy, crushed, disgusted, upset, hateful, weepy, angry, annoyed, sore, enraged, furious, upset, hateful, hostile, irritated, tired, weary, powerless, distressed, drained, dull, fatigued, irritated, over, confused, puzzled, baffled, bewildered, bemused, muddled, perplexed, at sea, surprised, amazed, astonished, astounded, gobsmacked, taken aback, stunned, flabbergasted, dumbfounded, relaxed, calm, chilled out, laid back, mellow, cool, at ease, comfortable, shy, timid, bashful, coy, diffident, shrinking violet, bored, fed up, have had enough, listless, wearied, excited, thrilled, exhilarated, rapturous.